In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your country or region settings on the Shein website or app. This simple switch can offer you more accurate pricing and shipping options tailored to your new location. Let's dive in and walk through this process together, making sure you can shop with ease wherever you are in the world. Firstly, let's navigate to either the Shein website in your browser or open the Shein app on your mobile device. Both platforms are designed to be user-friendly, so whether you're on a laptop, tablet, or smartphone, the steps are quite similar. When you open the app or enter the website, you're likely to land on the homepage, where all the latest trends and promotions are displayed. Now, what you'll want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, or if you're using the app, the main screen, keep an eye out for the footer section, because that's where we'll find our key feature, the country, or region option. Taking the time to scroll to the bottom is critical, as many of these foundational settings are tucked away here to keep the main interface clean and easy to navigate. Once you've located the country region option, it's time to select it. Clicking or tapping this feature will prompt a list to appear displaying a variety of countries and regions. This list is comprehensive, reflecting Shein's global reach and ensuring that wherever you are or wherever you'll be shopping from, you can select the most relevant choice. As you peruse the list, identify your new country or region. A quick tip here, the list might be organized alphabetically, so having an idea of your new location's name can save time. After you find and select your new location, the platform will usually prompt you to confirm this change. This confirmation is a safeguard to ensure that changes aren't made accidentally. Once you've confirmed, the website or app will effectively update its pricing and shipping options according to the new country settings. This means that you'll now see prices in the local currency, and it will also reflect any changes in shipping availability or costs that might be applicable. By completing these simple steps, you've tailored your shopping experience to better fit your needs in a different location. Being able to understand pricing in your local currency and knowing the most accurate shipping details helps eliminate surprises, especially when it comes to the total costs and delivery times of your orders. And there you have it, an easy guide to changing your country or region settings on Shein. So next time you're browsing for the latest in fashion, you can shop confidently and comfortably knowing you're getting the best deals tailored for you. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!